If you're looking for a free way to file your taxes, Cash App Taxes is a hard option to beat. Formerly known as Credit Karma Tax, this software stands out by offering free tax filing services that cover most tax situations. While many of the best tax software products offer a free version, these are often limited to simple tax situations and federal tax returns. Cash App Taxes, however, provides a more comprehensive service without any cost. Cash App Taxes is completely free to use for both federal and state tax returns. This is a significant advantage for users who want to avoid the costs associated with other tax filing software. The software is available through the Cash App mobile application, which can be downloaded from Google Play and the App Store. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but the process is straightforward. One of the main perks of Cash App Taxes is that it allows you to file for free, no matter how complex your tax situation is. Whether you have a single W-2 form or multiple 1099s from various side hustles, this software can handle it. This makes it an excellent option for freelancers, gig workers, and those with diverse income sources. However, it's important to note that Cash App Taxes does not offer support from tax professionals. If you need assistance from a tax expert, you might want to consider other options. This lack of professional support is a trade-off for the free service. Cash App Taxes is only available in 40 states and Washington, D.C. You cannot file with this service if you lived in a state for only part of the tax year, earned income in more than one state during the tax year, or earned income in a state you didn't live in. Additionally, it does not support filing for minors, those residing outside of the USA, or those with income earned outside of the USA. Cash App Taxes offers a maximum refund guarantee. If you file an amended federal income tax return through a different tax prep service and receive a larger refund or owe less in federal taxes, you may be eligible to receive the difference up to $100 on a gift card. This applies only if you're using the same information you use when filing the same return with Cash App Taxes. The software guarantees accurate calculations. If there is a calculation error made by the software, Cash App Taxes will reimburse you for any penalties and interest up to $1,000 on a gift card. This assurance provides peace of mind for users concerned about potential mistakes in their tax returns. If you choose to deposit your refund into Cash App rather than a bank account, you could receive it up to 5 days earlier. This feature is beneficial for those who need their refund as soon as possible. Cash App Taxes provides free audit defense through a third-party company called Tax Protection Plus. This service includes consultation, document organization, and letter drafting in case you receive an inquiry from the IRS. Having this support can be invaluable if you ever face an audit. Cash App Taxes is an authorized IRS e-file provider and complies with security, privacy, and business standards set by the IRS. The software uses 128-bit or higher encryption to protect your data. Additionally, it maintains physical, electronic, and procedural safeguards that comply with federal standards. The company also has a dedicated on-site security team and works with independent third parties to assess its site for vulnerabilities. For added protection, Cash App Taxes requires a phone number and verification, and it supports two-factor authentication using authenticator apps. When comparing Cash App Taxes to other tax software, its free filing feature stands out. For example, TaxSlayer offers affordable tax software with plans starting as low as $30.36 for federal returns with a 20% discount using a specific promotion code. However, unlike Cash App Taxes, TaxSlayer's free version covers only basic tax situations. TurboTax, another competitor, provides extensive features and guidance, making it a good option for those needing more support. TurboTax offers live assistance from tax pros via phone, live chat, or video call. However, TurboTax's comprehensive service comes at a higher cost compared to the free service provided by Cash App Taxes. Cash App Taxes is an excellent choice if you want to file your taxes for free and have a straightforward tax situation. Its features, such as the maximum refund guarantee, accuracy guarantee, and early refund, make it a competitive option. However, the lack of professional tax support and limited availability might be a drawback for some users. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.